everybody. Hello, and welcome to my final project, my screencast. And this is my portfolio website, my IG sketchbook, which I made pretty much as an extension to my previous or my last website, which is my main website, my freelancing website. This is mainly a portfolio for my sketches. I have 5 pages here. I have the home page, the IG sketches, projects that I'm working on, contact information, and my resume. Um, as you scroll down, you see a profile picture of myself, a little bit about the website, and a couple links that'll direct you to and from different websites and to the IG sketchbook section. And here in my profile picture, you can click on that, and that will take you to my original or my first website, and I'll tell you a little bit more about myself. And underneath here, I have these options to get in contact with me through social media and my LinkedIn account, and you can connect with me there and view a little more about me there. Um, Let me first just go through the website real quick. These are my sketches here, and I have a lot of images here. Maybe a little too much for this project, but mainly I developed this website pretty much for a portfolio for entertainment and illustration, gaming, apps, main stories, graphic novels, comics and stuff like that, mainly for clients that are interested in using somebody with that type of talent to get an idea started or something going for um, either a movie or a game or a comic or something like that. Um, uh, Over here on my next page is my projects page. It's the project that I'm currently working on now, which is the FEP graphic novel, the Full Eclipse Platoon graphic novel. And here I just have like a couple images that pretty much show, like some concept armor design and, what my characters would probably be wearing. And I also have up to 9 comic pages done. And you can check that out on my Facebook business page. Here's some characters, facial um design I did for some characters. There's another character I did for the project. But below this section is a link to Facebook business page where you can view some more pages of my comic. Um, I have here my contacts page, which I have some pricing, some ways you can contact me by email or by phone number, and then I have finally my resume, and I have 2 downloadable ways you can get my resume, either through Word docs or PDF. And my main point for this project is mainly, just to, again, to provide clients with my sketchbook, pretty much. And that's the theme. It's a sketchy sketchbook type of theme that I'm going with here. See, on every page, it's simple. I decided to go with the Wix builder rather than just code it myself by scratch. I do recommend that everybody, learn how to code and try to code their own website because it gives you more power to manipulate things how you want to format it or present it. That would be a con for Wix. Um, they really don't have a limitless option, and some of the stuff they have, other people can use too. So if you're going to build a website, chances are somebody used some of the contents that content that or the content that Wix has provided. So you don't really want to be more the same. You want to be different. But if you, again, what's great about the Wix website though, that it is free to make and publish right away, but you do have to keep their Wix logos, unless you want to pay a hefty price to get those off of there, and pay for like support and more of analytics about your website and your audience and viewers, um, or other type of special features. It can get really expensive. So if you want something simple and fast, like a startup, Wix is a great way to go. As far as that aspect goes, because you can upload your own content. Like this background here is mine. All the images that I provide are mine. Um, and then their designs are, some of the designs are pretty cool. Like their font here is Federica the Great. It's like a sketchy font. It complements the theme of my website pretty well, which I like. And also some of the features that they provide, like the contacts features with the email. Um, you can, this goes right to your email. uh, Clients, or people are viewing your website, they can message you and it'll go right to your email. That's a pretty cool feature. And their links are super easy to make a link in Wix. And um, also their gallery boxes, or what I want to call them, or they're like their slideshows, are pretty cool. They have a bunch of features that you can put on there. You can, it gets a little crazy with the animations. Um, as far as web building goes, you want to stay away from too busy, too distracting. You want to keep it simple, nice and neat, visually appealing, and easy just to understand and to maneuver through. Because if you don't have a website that's easy and it's just noisy and annoying, the viewers are not going to want to look at it. So I kept this as simple as possible. And the what I really learned from this mostly is that it really put into perspective of how a portfolio should be presented to a viewer. You know, before, and you can see it on my last web page that I made before this class. You can see that uh I can I had a lot of different things going on instead of sticking to one thing. So that's something that I learned, is that you need to learn to stick to one theme. Um, you don't want to distract your viewer. You don't want someone going off doing, thinking about something else, or not even wanting to visit your website because they're just into too many different things. For this project, I also ended up using this VSDC player, or video editor. It works pretty nice, works pretty good. It's you gotta learn the mechanics pretty well. It's a little loady. It takes a while to load things up, but other than that, it's I pretty liked it. It's pretty simple and easy too. But there's me. There's my website and my final project. And I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna send a link below for the video when I upload it onto YouTube, so you guys can also go straight to the web page. And I'm gonna upload the video onto the web page as well, or I'm gonna try to do that. Probably make another page and put it onto the video. But if I don't get to any of that, this is it. This is my screencast. I hope you guys like it and enjoy.